In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel echo in BandLab. Echo in BandLab usually comes from effects, not from a recording mistake, so the fix is quick once you know where to look. We'll focus on finding the source of the echo and dialing it back so your track sounds clean and controlled. First, select the track that's sounding echoey. Make sure you've actually highlighted the track that needs attention so any changes apply to the right place. With the track selected, open the FX panel. On desktop, you'll typically see an FX button on the track or in the right side panel. On mobile, tap the track to reveal its controls, then tap FX. This opens the chain of effects currently shaping your sound. Now look specifically for reverb and delay in the FX chain. These two are the most common causes of echo. Reverb creates a spacey tail, like you're in a hall or room. Delay repeats the sound back to you in distinct echoes. If you hear a smooth, lingering tail, that's likely reverb. If you hear obvious repeats, 1, 2, 3 times, that's delay. Let's tame them. You can either remove these effects or lower their intensity. If reverb is active, reduce its mix control until it's barely there. A reliable target is to set the reverb mix below 10% or turn it off entirely if you want the echo fully gone. This gives you a dry, upfront sound without the wash. If delay is present, either bypass it or turn down its mix so the repeats sit way back or disappear. The goal is to make your original signal clear without lingering reflections that clutter the vocal or instrument. Be sure to check whether a preset is adding echo automatically. Many presets, especially vocal or space-themed ones, include built-in reverb or delay. Click into the preset to see which modules are active and adjust or remove them as needed. If switching presets, choose something labeled dry or minimal, or simply edit the preset by turning down the reverb and delay inside it. Remember, even subtle amounts can add up when stacked. As you adjust, listen in context with the rest of your project. If the sound suddenly feels too flat, bring back just a tiny amount of reverb. Staying under that 10% mix keeps it present but not echoey. When you're satisfied, close the FX panel and play your track from start to finish to confirm the echo is gone and the clarity is where you want it. That's it. Simple, effective, and clean.